The beauty of wooden stairs is undeniable. They can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home, as well as providing a practical solution for getting from one floor to the next. In this article, we will explore the many benefits of having beautiful wooden stairs to the second floor of your home. What type of material is used to make wooden stairs? Wood is the most common material used to make wooden stairs. Other materials that may be used include metal, concrete, and stone. What are the benefits of having wooden stairs? Durability. Wooden stairs are extremely durable and can last for many years with proper maintenance. Aesthetics. Wooden stairs offer a classic and timeless look that can add beauty and character to any home. Safety. Wooden stairs are much less slippery than metal or concrete stairs, making them safer for all family members. Versatility. Wooden stairs can be customized to fit any space and can be stained or painted to match any decor. Cost. Wooden stairs are generally less expensive than metal or concrete stairs. What safety measures should be taken when installing wooden stairs? Make sure the stairs are securely attached to the wall or floor. Use a level to ensure the stairs are level and secure. Check that the stairs have been properly treated to prevent rot and decay. Securely attach handrails to the stairs to prevent slips and falls. Make sure that the stairs are wide enough to accommodate two people walking side by side. Use non-slip treads on the stairs to prevent slipping. Use a guardrail on the top and bottom of the stairs for added safety. Make sure that the stairs are well lit to prevent falls. Install a smoke alarm near the stairs in case of a fire. Make sure that the stairs are free of any debris or objects that could cause someone to trip. What are the different design options available for wooden stairs? Straight staircase. This is the most common and traditional design for wooden stairs. It consists of a single flight of steps with no turns or curves. Winder staircase. This design features a single flight of steps that winds around a central post or column. It is often used in smaller spaces where a straight staircase would not fit. Spiral staircase. This design features a single flight of steps that winds around a central post or column in a spiral pattern. It is often used in smaller spaces where a straight or winder staircase would not fit. Curved staircase. This design features a single flight of steps that curves around a central post or column. It is often used in larger spaces where a straight or winder staircase would not fit. Open riser staircase. This design features a single flight of steps with open risers, meaning that the steps do not have a solid wall between them. It is often used in larger spaces where a straight or winder staircase would not fit. Closed riser staircase. This design features a single flight of steps with closed risers, meaning that the steps have a solid wall between them. It is often used in larger spaces where a straight or winder staircase would not fit. The article on beautiful wooden stairs to the second floor has highlighted the importance of incorporating a stylish yet functional staircase into any home. With the right design, materials, and craftsmanship, a wooden staircase can be a stunning addition to any home. Whether you're looking for a classic look or something more modern, wooden stairs can be a great way to add a touch of elegance to your home.